guys, today I'm gonna open this Adopt Me egg. Let's open it. There's something here. Okay, let's open this part now. Let's see what I'm gonna get.
Ooh, looks good.
It's a golden diamond unicorn. You see here, guys? I think this pointing at something. There's a button here. Can I see? Okay, let's try something. So it's near the name. Guys, the name. It's this button. That's why it was hard. But I'm so excited because you see there's a glow. It's glowing. This one is glowing bright. See? It's so shiny. So I hope we get this unicorn or this.
Yes. Oh, actually, you know what? Yeah, maybe these are the different ones that you can get, and maybe you got super lucky. We'll find out. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there you go.
Oh, wait.
And you. Oh.
That's legendary.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Show them. Show them.
Guys, I got legendary. Look what I got here. It's a diamond unicorn.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. But
Very
I
good.
also want these two legendaries too. They look very cool. Look. It's the dragon and giraffe. I can't wait to get them too. That's you. That's wrong because you're bold.
Okay.
They don't
Yeah.
have that one bold.
All right then.
Baka's bold.
All right. Which one's mummy then?
This one.
Toucan. Toucan.
Uh-huh.
All right.
And this one is so cute.
Yeah. What's that?
It's a cat. It's
Oh,
cute.
kitty cat.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Which one are
I
you?
feel like this is me.
You're the penguin.